Hey everyone, I'm back. I have my brackets mounted. It's for my X axis. This is for my Y axis. And this is what I did for my Z axis. Give you a little demo. So if I come over here on Mach 3, and I click reference home, hit Z first, Y, and that's home position. Machine coordinates, they're all 0. I also have my soft limits set. I'm trying to do this one-handed, I'm sorry. So if I go ahead and try to over travel this, it won't let me. It stops automatically, which is a good feature. This is, I wish I did this a long time ago, because now I could have a work coordinate set, shut the machine down, come back a day later, home the machine, and my work coordinate is going to be still there. Same goes with my tools. I can touch my tools off, and leave them set. I know people ask me what I have the machine setting on. I have them on these leveling casters. You can see right here, they're AC 300 Carry Master. I have those mounted to solid square tube, and you adjust the casters up or down. So if I wanted to move the machine, I'd lower the casters so they're resting on the wheels. I also have these square tubes mounted to the frame of the stand. From this portion back, I don't know if you can see that, it's butt welded across, so I stayed away from that area. So it's solid from here back. It's really solid this way. But I'm really happy with these homing switches. I got this piece of leather, and you can see it's quite long. Right now I just have it folded. Under. Like that. If anybody has any ideas, comment below what I should do with this. Also, there must be like a, I don't know, I would say maybe a 40 thousandths gap here. Chips could get underneath there. So what I have mounted underneath here is a piece of leather. It acts like a wiper. So nothing's going to fall down underneath here, bother my switches. I thought I'd try that out, see how that goes. So this is it. It's a short video.